What are we gonna call this?
I don't know, make a name for it.
Hey, I don't know what to call this, but it's gonna be yummy. Let's come up with a name together. Give me some ideas, put it in the comments. You already know. We're gonna saute these shallots before we put them in the blender. Oh my God, so ununiform all of a sudden. I'm having a tough time today. There we go, that was better. I'm actually just dicing them up because we're gonna blend them anyway. So trying to get them to be small. I want them to saute nice and quickly. The chickpea, all right. Just gonna throw it in with the shallots, trying to like meld the flavors a little bit. Let's get some of this in here with some of this. Oh. How else do you open things? Chickpea and shallot saute in here. Our water's up to boil, so gonna do one of these. Put in our pasta. Okay, so check this out. This is an imported Italiano Parmesan, right? But it's made from raw milk, not pasteurized milk. It tastes a little different. It actually tastes a lot lighter. It's less bite to it. It tastes very creamy. Cameraman, what do you think? Looks good. Did you like the taste?
Really good.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Some people are afraid to eat raw dairy. I'm not. I think it's yummy. Anything that's closest to natural as possible is kind of like the way I want to eat it. Let's get our lemon zest. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I bet you this is gonna be one of those things that you could put on like anything. I wouldn't just eat it over pasta. I would eat it like over chicken. Maybe just make a dip out of it. It's gonna be pretty closely related to hummus. Watch this. Last minute addition. Let's get our pasta in the bowl. Oh baby, this is gonna be so good. This is our walnut chickpea sauce with a splash of cream and Parmesan. A little bit of lemon. Fantastic flavor. You don't have to just have this with pasta. Put this on chicken. Put it on fish. Put it on anything. There's your creamy, cheesy deliciousness. Bon appetit. So good. My goodness. Wow. Wow. You guys have to try this. If I was gonna open a restaurant, this would be on the menu.